What is climate change and when did it start? Currently, everybody is talking about climate change, but do you even know what it's about?
A kind of climate change is natural. There are ice and warm ages. But the actual global warming in which the climate of our Earth gets constantly warmer and threatens our way of life is mainly caused by humans. This began in the 1880s when the industrialization began and the first factories were built. The numbers of factories producing fumes increased over the years, and so climate change was first discovered in the 1960s. But even today there are people, even prominent, that claim climate change is a hoax. The reasons and causes for the global warming are nature and humans as well. Humans are one of the main reasons because of the activities which contribute to climate change by causing change in the Earth's atmosphere by increasing the amount of greenhouse gases, small particles and cloudiness. The largest known contribution comes from burning fossil fuels, which releases CO2 in the atmosphere. The natural causes are variations in the sun's energy reaching the Earth. Nature changes the reflectivity of the Earth's atmosphere and surface. Also, the nature changes the so-called greenhouse effect.
The greenhouse gases play a huge role in the climate change. The countries with the most emissions are China, the USA, the EU, India, and Russia. Carbon dioxide and methane are the reasons for the pollution. They prevent many of the sun rays to leave Earth after they touch the ground, and thus cause them to stay in our atmosphere, which increases its warmth. But there are ways to reduce the greenhouse gases. For example, you can buy stuff with non or minimal packaging, use less heat and air condition, drive less, use less hot water, and plant many trees. Another human-caused reason for the climate change is the destruction of the rainforest. The rainforests are called green lungs because they cool down the atmosphere and filter a lot of CO2. Consequences of the climate change are that the temperature will rise from 2.5 to 10 Fahrenheit over the next century. The long-term effects are that the frost-free season will lengthen and there will be more droughts and heat waves. Also, the number of hurricanes will become higher and more intense. The sea level will rise from 1 to 4 feet by 2100. The Arctic is likely to become ice-free. The water expands when it's heated, and oceans absorb more heat than land, so that's the reason the sea level rises. Places that usually get lots of rain and snowfall might get hotter and drier. Lakes and rivers will dry out and less water will be available for drinking, shower and food production. Another effect is that many plants and animals might become extinct because they are unable to adapt to fast change.
All in all, you can say that the climate change is mainly caused by a lot of different gases that prevent sunbeams to get absorbed in space, a phenomenon called greenhouse effect, and the destruction of the rainforests. It affects the entire world because consequences of the global warming affect everyone. It causes droughts, hurricanes and heavy heat waves, and isn't just bad for humans by hardening the agriculture, but will also lead a lot of plants and animals to extinction because they cannot adapt to the fast change of environmental conditions.